I'm always in the van, you know, just testing out this diesel heater. It's lovely. What a lovely day. A lovely day in the van. Freezing outside though. Bloody hell, it's getting cold now. It's getting really, really cold. I just want to see how long that tank actually lasts in the van, because I haven't filled it up yet. I only filled it up once, and now I'm on what, the third week I think, for £5. It's not bad. Anyway, this is about the ignition today. Obviously, if you're having this issue, I've done a lot of research, and the reason I went this option, guys, is try and error, to be honest. I read it's going to be the ignition, and the ignition's locked up, so the ignition controls the power steering and obviously the engine from starting. So I bought another one of these second hand for about 150 quid. Apparently they're common faults on the VW, the Mercedes Sprinter and the Renault, and some of the newer Transits. So they said over 60,000 miles you get faults with these, and obviously my van's done 144,000 now, so it's time to replace it. So that will be here tomorrow, and I will let you know if it works, but I think it will work because I bought an emulator, and when I put the emulator on, it turns the ignition, but the ignition won't turn the power steering on, and then it won't, you know, crank the engine over. But I think I need a starter motor as well now, because the van's been sitting here. So I'm going to get these items tomorrow, well, this item tomorrow, and I'll keep you updated and posted how I got on with it. To take this out of the ignition, you know, dashboard, you'll get two flatheads in, one there, and you'll see little grooves, and you just do it slowly, and then you just turn it like that, and then it just pops down, basically. Simple. And the reason I went this way, guys, I called a mobile, what's it called, a mobile mechanic. They do like, you know, they're like, what's called, like locksmiths. He came here with a machine, 60 quid he charged just to have a look, and then he quoted like £1,000 to just do this. Yeah, £1,000 he wanted just to do that. So if you have this issue, that's what you've got to replace. And the only thing you need to do, because obviously make sure when you buy this you get it with a key, you need to program your old keys to the system, because this controls your central locking. So now obviously I have to lock my car or my van by hand and then lock the last door, basically. So make sure everything's locked up when you take this out, so don't panic that you can't lock your car, or you can leave it in there till you get your old one. It's up to you how you do it. So yeah, that controls your central locking as well. And another thing, the windmill, I had a lot of messages saying do a how-to video and stuff like that. I bought everything again, except I'm not doing it in PVC this time. I'm going to do it in some, like, I don't know what it is actually, it's some lightweight metal. I had it laying around, so I'm going to try and do it with that. And I bought a, what's it called, a small weldering unit. I'm going to try and get into weldering because I want to use it for the windmill and make sure it's solid and I can leave it on my roof and that. Plus, I want to put some roof racks on the van, so I can add maybe another solar, and I can use half of it for, you know, like, I don't know, a kayak or a boat or something like that. So that is my next plan, and why I want to welder it, I don't want to take off all the ceiling panels to hold the, you know, to drill more holes in the roof to hold the roof brackets. Plus the awning, I want to welder the awning brackets to the side of the van as well. I don't want to keep drilling holes into the van. I'd rather just welder it, and I know it'd be stronger than a welder anyway. It's not going to come off with a welder. So yeah, that's my next plan. So keep updated for that little project. You know, it's a little tiny welder. It's pretty handy. It only costs 50 quid for the welder, but you don't get the cables. Just say 70 quid for everything, but you've got to buy the clamps and the electronic welder. Obviously, this is my first time doing it. I practice first, obviously, so, you know, spot weld, and then I start welding properly. But yeah guys, everything else is doing great in the van. I will start the shower area tomorrow. I'm going to start getting the van up to date now. I'm going to start wooding up here. I'm still waiting for that window, so that's what's, you know, making me slack a bit. Finish off all these trimmings around here, up here, tidy up all these wires. But I might have a few more wires going out here because I've got like spotlights going outside of the awning. I still got quite a lot to do, to be honest. You know, you keep working on the van and then you want to put this in there, you want to do that. The camera system is awesome. You know, that camera system on this van is just awesome. You can't go wrong. But yeah guys, or YouTubers. Yeah, YouTubers. So that is it really. Just got a few more bits to do. Keeps adding up, to be honest. You get, you know, you start one project, then you're on another project. So I'm gonna try and sort this van out tomorrow. Hopefully it starts up. Don't need a starting motor. I think I do need a starting motor as well. If it's the case, I'm gonna get under there tomorrow, take the starting motor out, and go and buy a new starting motor. Just put it back in myself. That's it. Simple. So that's it, YouTubers. So stay safe, subscribe, and I'll keep you updated tomorrow on the ignition switch. Peace.